we're back. So let's go back down here. Get this going here. Chat going. Okay. It's all live. Okay. Okay. So now we are caffeinated and we've had some lunch. I looked up a couple of code segments that I needed to find from some of my previous programs. Hopefully we'll get this straightened out. We'll work on the next part here. So I walked away. This is exactly where we left it in the end of part one. Let's go back over here. Let's take a look at our Trello board. Let's see here. So the GUI, I did build our GUI. Did the life mirror, the pause time, and the score. I have not connected the score yet, but I do have it existing. So that should be all set. So GUI is done. Player, we'll fix that right off to here shortly. Faces the mouse cursor. The boom scene, I did see where it was. I forgot that in the previous stuff I've done, I called the applied damage from the animation track versus the animation finish signal, and we were crashing when it was trying to do some of this stuff. So I'm going to try to do it with the animation, the track signal instead. So let's see here. This may not actually come into Hurtbox to encompass other enemies. I still have to sort out how to do that as we explode the boxes. The explosion is going to get bigger, and so I need to attach that. It's either I can create additional booms or I can do some other way to do it, but that'll take some more thinking. Probably that won't happen. I do have to add in the pause mechanics, and I want to add in the damage label for the boom. That damage label is only going to show up if you pause it and make it bigger. The standard explosion from the bullet's not going to make a label. The imp, I just try to remember what the direction was to make them head towards the player. Global position, or player's global position minus its position. And then we can head it that way. So that's for the movement. We did add the hitbox to it, so I can add that there. We do have to add the throw fireball. If we use logic to keep it out of range of the player, then I probably won't need the hurtbox. But then throwing the fireballs can be easy because all we're going to do is reskin the bullet for the most part. Change which layers it's monitoring the mask and stuff, and then that will be that. So that was that. Player at the imp. Tile map, we actually got to make the level still. Hopefully I'll get these couple things here fixed right off, and then once that's done, we can move into making the physical tile map and the actual map for the level. And then I'll move on to the fireball. Should be fairly simple because again we're just mirroring the bullet for the most part. This one will have an actual hurt box because it's not going to create another scene. It's not going to create an explosion when it hits the player, because that would be that'd be devastating if it hits you and you pause it and it just kills you. So we're probably not going to do that. We might make it chase the player. I'll figure that one out. This one's going to be pretty simple. Just give him a whole bunch of hit points, slow his movement, and add a hurt box that's going to really damage the player if he gets to him. So, and then the monster spawner, the general idea of this, again, is it's just going to be a path 2D around the camera, and it's just going to generate the monsters. I don't know if that's going to be the best approach, unless... Well, the floating eyeball and the imp have wings, so that might actually work, because then they won't care about getting stuck on the cliffs and stuff like that, because they can just fly over it. So that might actually work out in their benefit if we do that. And then our game manager, we've already created the game manager, but we don't have these key things in here. So you got to add those in. Same with the game over screen. That should be fairly easy. And then this stuff is probably, we'll see what happens on those. But hopefully we can make a good dent here in the next, how much time do we have left again? An hour and 41 minutes. So we've done an hour and 20 so far, and we've gotten the player, we've gotten the boom scene, the bullets, and the beginning of the Hellfire Imp and a GUI. I think I might change the GUI instead of being attached to the camera. Actually make them bars underneath the player so that then you can kind of focus on the player and not have to watch the top left of the screen. Might make it easier. Don't know yet. But because I use those with built-in scripts, that's going to be nice and easy. I can just drag them and drop them onto the player and adjust their size. Not a big deal. Don't have to really worry about rehoming any of the VARs or anything like that. So should be pretty straightforward and easy. So we're just going to go from top down. I'm going to get the player looking at the mouse because it was just a real simple thing that I had forgot. It was the get mouse position, and if mouse position.x is negative, it looks left. If it's right, it looks right. I just have to actually get the mouse position. That was just, my brain was not working. So, okay. Oh, and we gotta get music, but we'll worry about that once we actually get the level itself. So, okay. Without further ado, let's. I'm gonna turn off my video here. We'll get back into it. We'll look at. We'll get this player going first, the faces mouse cursor. We'll get that working. We'll just go right down the list. We'll jump into get the bullet thing that we have to do here of making sure that I'm attaching, I've used this from a previous rocket explode from one of my Contra games. So I just want to try to recreate that to make sure I generate the scenes properly. We'll do that. We'll hit the Hellfire Imp. And then hopefully we'll be jumping right into the tile map here in just a few moments, and we'll start building that all out. So without further ado, let's restart our clock. Here we go, 1:41, and go. Okay, so let's go back over here. Let's go back to our player. Here's our direction. So let's get a var mouse position equals get mouse MOUSE. Global mouse position. Yep. And if mouse pos.x. Okay. So that should make our guy move around based on which side the mouse is on. Yep. Okay. I just realized something else too, that we are not updating his animation. So let's do that real quick as well. So let's see here. Do we have the animation player? We do not. Let's put that in here. Let's grab that animation player. Let's see here. If direction X, else if direction Y. Let's just do it right here. If direction equals vector 2.0, oops, just realized I need double equals here. Animation player dot play. We need to play idle, else animation player dot play, and we're gonna play run. Okay. Oops. Fat fingered that. There we go. So that should make our guy animate when he runs. Okay. Okay, so jump back over here. We will say we've got him facing the cursor. Guess what? Player done. Okay, GUI done. Bullet. We gotta go back in here and double check our bullet setup. So let's go do that. for bullet scene or bullet code. So we got boom, get parent, call deferred, add child. So let's see, what do we do? We got the area. Instantiated target equals the area. So boom. So if we do boom dot target equals underscore a, that'll be easy. We don't need to worry about that position. And then we can do, you know what? Let's do that. Let's do a dot add child. And we're going to add boom to it. Because then that is going to attach it to the hitbox, and then that will get rid of it once the stuff is done. So let's just make sure that is working. Let's just double check our boom script here, because I don't think I need, here's our target. We don't need this anymore, because we already established the target. And then what we want to do in the animation player is in boom, we want to add a track called method track. It's going to be in the boom. And at the end, we're going to insert damage enemy. Okay. And then we're not going to send anything, so that should be fine. Okay, so that should damage the enemy. Oh, that reminds me, actually, Hellfire Imp. Let's go back here. Let's add child node a progress bar. I don't want the percentage. Let's just manually adjust this here. Okay, progress bar, theme override styles. Let's give it a flat, box flat. Health is red. Yeah, that works right there. Where is our border width? Don't care. Corner detail. Let's just give them a straight. Border width, border corner radius 0. Oops. Of course. Boy, my clicking skills are very, very lacking today. Okay, so give that. Let's just give them a value of 100. So it's full. Can we shrink it anymore? No. Okay. Let's see, what else do we need? Styles, don't care. Content margins. No, wait, it's not content margins, it is, no, we definitely don't want that. Whatever. Okay, so this is going to be for his hit points. Let's go back here to the enemy hit points. Let's go in, we'll add this progress bar, copy, physics process. We need this function of take damage. We want the damage value. And we want to do progress. No, we want to do HP minus equals the damage value. Okay. Progress bar. If HP is less than or equal to 0, we'll just queue free them. We'll get rid of the enemy. Else, we're going to set the progress bar value equal to HP. We also need a function ready. function ready. We need progressbar.value to equal to HP, so it starts full. And we also need progressbar.max value. Because by default, it's only got 100, but we gave him 150 hit points. Okay, so we got that. Let's see, where we stand right now. Okay, boom. Okay. Creating a boom. Why did it create a boom? Wait, why is this bullet should not be on 3? Bullet should be on 4. Enemy. Let's try that again. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Hellfire Imp, let's make sure he is on 4. Collision. Nope. Let's make sure he's on 4. Oh, actually. No, it's just his hitbox needs to be on 4. Okay. And you can see we got a little boom happening right there. We got to do the other very key thing here with our bullet. So we got all this, but then we need to get rid of the bullets. So if it hits the bad guy, it should stop. There we go. Okay. Actually, you know what? Before we call the player done, let's do one more thing. Let's do a child timer. We're going to call this shot. Call it shot timer. Okay. So we go up here. Shot timer. Copy. And we go into our shoot. If shot timer dot is stopped, then we can shoot. Okay. And then at the end, we want to do shot timer dot start, and then we'll call it cooldown. Cool down. Okay, and then up here we'll go export var cooldown. We'll make it a float. And we'll give it half a second to start with. Okay, and then over here on our shot timer, we'll make it a, don't want to make it all start, make it one shot. Yep, that should work. Now we should be doing, let's just put this at 0.5. We can shoot every 0.5 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. And notice everything stops. Boom. And you notice how even though it's paused, the explosion still happens. So now we just have to add the explosion there, but we'll get to that in a second. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And he is not losing hit points. Let's find out why. Okay, so player's done. Back over here. Yep, player's done. The bullet's done. We've completed all that. The boom scene is starting. The Hellfire Imp, he does have the hitbox. We'll add in the movement here in a second. So let's go back over here. Oh, I know why. Because if we go to boom, we got target.take damage, which goes to the hitbox. This is not the way you should be doing this. Get parent.take damage. Take damage. Right? Is that what we want to do? I feel like I'm doing that wrong. My hitbox. hit parent.take damage, send the damage. Because then in the enemy, take damage. Let's see if it works. I feel like it's wrong, but we'll see. No, we're definitely wrong. Let's see. What are we doing? Bullet. Can't change the state. Yeah, we'll do that in a sec. We'll fix that in a second. Error colon boom take damage enemy. Expected 0 arguments called with 1. Okay. So let's go back over into boom. Oops. To the boom script. Try that again. Okay. Non-existent function, take damage. Because target is a hitbox. Okay, you know what? We are going to quickly look at my timer. We are going to pull up my other program here. Let's see how those hitboxes work. Because I feel like I have forgotten something key. Okay. My other Godot has crashed, so I'm going to pause this timer until I get that sorted out. Okay. That would be why. I've run out of hard drive space. Go figure. Okay. Let's see here. Hitbox. Signals. Why am I not using signals? Jeez, that's what I should be doing. Hitbox. Damage emit. Okay, that's what I should be doing. Okay, so let's just use this. Let's copy this over here. Let's go back into our hitbox. Let's just do this. So it's a take damage. It goes to a hurt box. But instead of sending the hurt box, because I'm not doing that, let's do damage, and it's going to be an integer. We're going to take damage. We're going to call this damage. That's going to be an integer. And then we're going to emit the damage. Okay. So we're going to call take damage within the hitbox. We're going to emit it. Okay, so let's do this. Let's copy this. Let's do boom. Where we call this, it's going to be called this. Right. Signal that to the hitbox, and then in here, we're going to connect to, what is it here? The hitbox is signal is damaged. Okay. So let's pull in the, whoops, pull this in. And then in ready, we're going to do hitbox.connect. Whoops, hitbox.damaged.connect. And then we're going to use the take damage. Okay, and then we're bringing in, that should work. Okay, so let's try this again. Now we should be taking damage. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, there we go. And he's gone. Yay! Okay. Brain just malfunctioned on that one. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's see. That one was... We'll call it a runoff of a few minutes. So while that's doing that in the runoff, we'll just go over here. We'll go real slow. We'll look at the amp. Let's see what we got. We got his hitbox is working. He's got a, let's add an item here. Let's do health bar. Okay, well, we've got the health bar. Hurt box. We can add his movement, which is what we're going to use here. Let's see, what else do we have here? Bullet, boom scene. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna delete that one for right now. We're gonna put in the damage label. I think that's been enough runoff. Yeah, I think it's been enough runoff. I guess I don't have to be exact, but trying to be close as possible. Okay. And I just closed my Trello by accident. Let's bring that back up. Okay. We'll just throw you over there just in case we need you again. I don't think we will. Okay. I've already forgot what I just said we were going to do. You know what? Let's just jump to it. Let's go right to our tile map. Okay. So let's go to game. Let's do add child node, tile map layer. Okay, this is going to be the ground. Actually, you know what? Let's add child node. Let's add the node 2D, and we're going to call this. We'll call it stage, and then we'll throw this underneath stage. We'll put that up here. Okay, so ground, tile set, new tile set. These are all going to be 16 by 16. Oops, where I got them in here. Let's see, first we have, these are the ground tiles. Boom. Yeah, auto make that. We'll go set that stuff up afterwards. We'll add in these. And then let's add in the animations, yes. Actually, this one we're going to say no to, because what I'm going to do is I want to make this animated. This stuff, oops, get rid of that. There you go. We got our rocks. These ones are multiple tiles. Oops. Let me make that one too. And it's probably all I really need for right now. Okay, but let's go make these animated so then we can do some cool lava pool stuff. So let's go into this, select, let's see here, animation. It's going to have 8 columns. Separation is going to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles? 5 tiles, I think. Speed, let's make 0.1. Nope, not 5 tiles, 4 tiles. There we go. There we go. Okay, I wonder now, can I do all of these at the same time. Columns 8, separation 4, speed 0.1. Okay, so let's go and oops. I don't know why it doesn't, the duration doesn't, oh, the speed should probably still be 1. 0.1, 0.1. Actually, you know what? I wonder what this, if just adjusting the speed alone would work. Let's find out. Let's just put the speed at 0.1. And let's go and draw. Let's just draw this pool. Boom. There we go. Okay, that makes it easier. Okay. So we get this nice little lava pool. Do we want to keep bad guys or good guys out of it? I don't. Yeah, let's add that. Let's paint in our physics. Oh, we gotta go back to our tile set. Physics layer, add layer 1, layer 2. Yeah, we'll add both of them. We'll just add layer 2. Okay. And then let's go here, physics layer. And oops, didn't want to do that. Pixel snap, grid snap. There we go. Vertical. Okay, and then let's say over here we will do oops, that one. That one. Horizontal. Let's fix these. Okay, and then on this one, we're gonna add back in the dot. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. That should be pretty good. Actually, you know what? I want to change these ones. So this one should be, oops, we want that one to be here. And this one to be at the corner. Oh, no, this one needs to be in by 1. Like that. There we go. Horizontal, we'll put that one over there. Vertical and horizontal. There. That gives us a nice shape around the pool. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that gives us that. Let's go back to our tile set. Let's go back to this one. Okay. And let's go back to physics and let's see what's this one again to do. Full. So we want to block all of this. This is not passable, not passable, not passable. This is not passable, not passable. those rocks not passable. We probably aren't going to use these, but we'll see. Just in case, I'll just mark them as not possible. These are sides of stairs. So let's go in here, but let's, oops. Put that there. Horizontal, boom, boom, boom. Okay. And then these ones, let's go see here. We'll put the base of those all as, you know what we need to do? We need to actually go back to the setup here for this. Setup. Oh, oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so then we'll do that as one. Oops. Gotta hold the shift. There we go. Okay, now let's go back to our physics layers. Let's put this down at the bottom. There we go. Okay, boom. Okay, so we got that. These are all these ones I should redo. Whatever. We're good enough for right now. We'll get moving. These are just floor decorations. Those are floor decorations. That's floor. Okay. And check out ground tiles. Okay. And then I don't remember how to do this now. You know what? Oh, I remember how. I gotta go back into tile set, ground, over here, terrain sets, add element. Let's see. Call it rock floor. Color's brown, and element. Let's call it That's good. Okay, and if we go back over here, tile set patterns, it's here. We do set up texture, we do paint, terrain, terrain's painting, terrain set 0, terrain rock floor. Okay. Add in all of this. Okay. And we're going to go in here and we're going to say probably not a lot of fun watching me do all this stuff without any actual chatting. Sorry, my mind is just trying to think of all the things I need to get done to make sure I get this done in time. Take that away. Okay. Do we? There we go. I was gonna say, I thought I missed a piece there. Okay. Almost done. Okay. It'd be nice if I could just like select this and copy it. Oh wait, is this all the same? Yeah, that's the path. This is the floor. Did I do that backwards? I gotta paint here. And I do terrains, rock floor. That'll work for now. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That'll work. Okay. Rock floor. Okay, we need to set up one more thing. We need to set the physics layer on this one. Oh, we've already did the physics layer on this one. Yay! Okay. So we got the floor. You know what? We need probably one more. Shoot. I should set up the other terrain on this. Paint, terrain, rock floor. My mousing is not doing well today. I just keep going drawing all over the place. I almost wonder if I should just leave those as one dot instead of two. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Create this. Almost there. Cursor. There we go. It's probably a better way to design these so it works better, but who knows? Okay, I got a rock floor all set up. Okay. I'll come back and do grass later if need be. So let's go back here to our tile map. Let's draw in some areas. Rock floor. This is... Okay, so let's create our initial like fight area. We'll just do this here. We'll do another big area over here. Let's try to take a look at this. So let's see here. We got a small area here. We got a small area here. Let's just try to roughly recreate this. So let's see here. Let's just call, we'll call this the starting area right here. So, okay, so here's our starting area. We've got a little bit of a bubble out here, a little bit of a bubble out there. All right, then we got kind of a longer thing up here. And then we got another room up here, like about there. You got a little like hallway over this way. Got another hallway that goes kind of like right here. That will go over. Then we kind of have this big central like lava stream room here. It kind of goes down to. Oops. Okay. And this kind of kicks out into like a little side room. Then we got another like room over there. And we've got, let's see, up here, this lava kind of spews up there. Got some central stuff here. We've got some, you know, this kind of goes here. There's a little bit of a spot up there. There's a narrow corridor over on this side, which brings it back down to here. Oh, this should be disconnected. And then this brings us to, right? Okay, so we got that spew, we got this. This gives us a narrow corridor down to here. Goes down to just a hair bit down like this. Kind of brings us across like this. Make that just a little bit less. There we go. Just okay. I'll go back to our drawing tool. We'll just kind of sketch this in just a little bit here. Like that. Come back down here. We'll just kind of. Oops. should use this because this connects us to similar tiles. So just kind of give it just a little bit of a interesting outline. Yeah. Okay, oops. Okay. Okay. I need to do one more terrain set. Actually, let's change this from grass floor. I'm going to call this lava pools. We're going to change this color to red or orange. A lava-y orange. There we go. Okay. Paint, terrains, lava pools. Okay. So we're going to use all this, this. Okay. And then this is all connected. In hindsight, let's change a different color. There we go. Do. L. Okay. Good. Okay, so now let's go back to our tile map. Let's paint lava pools. Let's do some fast fills here. Something's not right with my... Okay, so let's just do stage. We'll duplicate this. Ground 2. Let's just call this one lava. Nope. Lava. There we go. Okay. Okay. Terrains, lava pools. Oops. Don't want to erase. Just curious how this looks right now. Let's take a look. Let's see where we are. Ah, we got our lava pools. Why aren't we moving though? Because lava. Okay. Back to tile sets. Physical terrain. Let's do this. Physics layer 0. Oh, we can just do physics layer 0. Then if I do select, nope, paint, layer 0. Delete, delete. There we go. Now we should be able to move. There we go. Okay. Okay. Nope, nope. Show why. Tile map. Let's go back over here. Tiles, select. Okay. We're going to delete all that. Okay, now we're going to go back in. We're going to actually draw out the pools, but we're going to draw them in smaller areas. Small, small. Okay. Let's make sure that these walls work. Totally gone silent here on this. Okay, well, so that does work. You know what? I might just get rid of the walls and just put... Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just get rid of the walls entirely. Delete. Okay. Let's go back to our ground layer tile set. And let's go to... Oh, shit. It was on this one. Paint. Physics layer. Physics layer 0. Physics layer. Oops. What is going on? Drop. F. There we go. Oh, no. F, 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 F. Damn it, I'm doing these wrong. I'm doing these entirely wrong. These are walls where you can't go. Corner, 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 horizontal, corner, 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 vertical, bottom left corner, bottom left corner, bottom left corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner, bottom right corner, bottom right corner, bottom right corner. Uh, let's just see how many more I have to fix here to make this work. Oh, I'm not gonna have time. That's fine there. That's fine there. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Oh, we got a couple of those I have to fix. Okay, but for the most part. Okay. Down in here. So let's look at this. We'll add in. Boom. Boom. Yep, that works. Boom. Okay, and then this one. You know, I don't even care about this one, but whatever. It is. Let's pick up this one, and let's click this style. Okay. There we go. Okay, that should be able to get this all working. Okay, so we've got that. Let's jump over here. Let's sugar 37 minutes, man. Okay. We spent way too much time on that. No, don't want that. Tile map. Import tiles, physics. Yes, done. Tile map done. Level done. I gotta create the fireball. Okay, let's go over here to. Let's go back. We gotta do this real quick. Okay. So that Hellfire Imp. Let's do a node, a timer. Throw fireball. Okay. Let's set it for auto start every 1 second. Let's make it 2 seconds just to make it a little bit fair. Okay. Let's copy the bullet scene file, save as. Save scene as. We're going to call it a fireball. Okay. We're going to take this. We're going to rename this to fireball. We're going to rename the script or save as. We're going to call it a fireball because we're going to change it slightly. Okay, fireball, fireball, fireball. We're going to add a hitbox. Okay. Agile node, a collision shape 2D. That is going to be, we'll just throw in a circle for right now. That done. Oh, whoops. This is not going to be a hitbox. This is going to be a hurt box. Delete. Okay. Let's see here. I am going to actually steal my hurt box from my other game. Okay, so let's do file, new area 2D. We're going to call this a hurt box. Attach add a child node, a collision shape 2D. We're going to add a script to this. It's going to be called hurt box. Okay, create. Okay, I don't need, we're not stunning anything. Okay, so we got this. This is the fireball. Collision shape. Oh, we need to change the sprites out. Let's see what else we have here. Let's make them throw purple. I like purple. Let's do purple. Then let's add the region. Fireball, fireball. What do we want his fireball to look like? That's a good question. So let's try to judge. It's about that big. Okay. That should be about right. 4 frames of animation. Let's look at our animation player, 2D. Let's play it. Yep, that looks good. Okay. Okay. So save that. Hellfire Imp. Here we will do throw fireball on ready. Throw fireball dot timeout dot connect throw, call it shoot. Okay, come down here, function shoot. Just throw a pass in here to get rid of the error. We need a constant fireball. Okay, so we got that. Let's just borrow our player shoot mechanic. Let's copy this, bring it over here. We don't need this. We don't need the pew. We got var bullet. We don't care about bullet. We're going to call this fireball. Fireball. set it the same as this. Fireball. Look at, we gotta get the player. So we'll do percent player dot global position POS. Okay, get parent, add child, fireball. And then this was called throw fireball. We don't need to worry about that. Okay. I need to go back to game player. Give me a unique name. Hellfire Imp. Game Hellfire Imp. Just make sure that we're using the right reference here. Boom, player. Yes. Okay. So now the Imp should throw a fireball every second, or every 2 seconds. Yep, boom. It's hitting itself. That's fine. We guys gotta change this. We want to go for the player. Okay. Boom. Okay, we hit the player. Create the boom. I don't want to create a boom because in Fireball this is not what we're going to use. So instead of create boom, area connect, create boom, hit player. Okay, hit player. We want to do, actually we don't even need to worry about any of this, do we? Because we have the hurt box. Yeah, that works. Okay, so this hurt box, when it hits area entered, okay, and then this needs to be on 3, right? Player, yeah. Okay, this we don't care. You know what? We don't even need any of this on. Fireball, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna hit the player. It's gonna take the damage. Let's make it 10. Oops, 10. Okay. So now we should hit the player. Do I have my hitbox turned on? Is hitbox, go player, hitbox, launchable, level 3, layer 3. Yep. I don't have a take damage thing. Okay. Function underscore ready. Hitbox. Hitbox dot hit connect take damage. Hitbox dot damaged. That's what I need. Hitbox dot. Okay. Fuck it. I'll just put it right here. Function take damage. HP minus equals damage. Also, I spell correctly. Okay. So now that should hit me, and if it hits me, boom. Okay, take damage, hitbox, cannot convert argument 1 from object to hit. Boom, 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 boom. Hurtbox is, oh, it's emitting itself. Okay, so let's go back into hitbox. So let's go back into hurtbox. There we go. That should be. Come on. Yep, okay. So now it is hitting me. I just have to destroy it when it hits me. I'll fire imp, fireball, 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 fireball. Fireball GD. Wait, I don't need that area entered. Right? Yeah, that's not happening. So wait, so what did I do? Hold on, where's bullet? Bullet. Area interconnect to create boom. Hurtbox. Okay, so that should stop it. Get rid of the fireball as soon as it hits me. Nope. Okay. Okay, so that is hitting me. Okay, so I am losing my health. But the fireball is not destroying. How come? Ready, processed. Hit player. A. Oh, if A is hitbox, begin print hit player. Let's see if this is even connecting. No. Fuck. Oh, this is not going to be done in time. Not going to be done in time. Not going to be done in time. Oh, I don't need this. This is never. This is. It's really worthless. Yeah. Because we're basing this all on the hitbox itself. So here, hitbox, hit emit, take damage. Oh my god, I can't type. Okay. Boom. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Now what I need in the boom, boom, boom. We gotta get the core mechanic of the game in here. If get tree paused Okay. Paused equals true. I'll put this in the process. Function underscore process. Okay. Physics if paused. If paused, we need the animation player. I already have the animation player. Animation player dot play. Big boom. Big boom. We want to do we also need big boom to be visible. Control C. Big boom dot visible equals true. We're gonna play it. We're going to do we got to increase its size, so we got to do scale dot x equals plus equals delta times 10. Oh, just plain delta. Scale y. Okay. Okay. So let's just make sure that that's working. Okay, so that's working. Okay, hold on. Big pod, it's scaling up. We need a label. Add a label, child node label. Label damage. Here. We'll just put that here. We'll put this right above it. Font size 5, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay. Label.visible equals true. Label.text equals string value of damage. Let's actually put this down here because I want to read. Oops. And then damage times equals plus equals damage times delta. Times multiplier. Multiplier. We'll just call it multi. M-U-L-T-I. And var multi colon equals, oops, colon int equals 1. Plus equals damage. Oh, times equals. No, plus equals. Take the damage, add delta times multiplier times 5. How about that? Get frame. Is it frame get animation? How do I get the animation frame? I don't remember. Godot dot get animation frame. Set frame, get frame. Get frame. 10 minutes. I'm not going to get there in time. Label. Okay, let's go back to boom. Let's do max size max. Oops, var. Max size float equals 3. F scale dot x. Okay. This is just not getting done in time. Damn it. Damn it. Oh. Yeah, let's see. Does that actually kill the imp? Let's find out. Oh, it doesn't because the animation never ends. Okay. Else. How do I do this here? Oh, while it's pausing, it's growing bigger. If it's once it's no longer paused, if the game is paused, else, if paused, then apply the damage. Damage enemy. Damage enemy. Target. So now when I unpause it, it should damage the imp. There it goes. Okay. Okay, so we got it done. 4 minutes. Awesome. Add child node. Let's do audio stream player. It's called shoot audio. Do I already have? Oh. Let's grab my shoot and my explode. Let's put those into here. Shoot audio. We'll put that up there. Boom. And then in the player, when we shoot, oops, up here on ready, we'll replace that with shoot audio.play. And then on fireball, not fireball, boom, animation player, let's add big boom, add a track, audio playback track, streamer, audio clips, where's the explode? There we go. Okay. Okay. Well, obviously, this is not going to get done in time. I have 2 minutes left, and this is not ready to be submitted. Dang, that is so disappointing. I'm going to have to finish it up and just submit it. Let's see. What did we get done though? We got Hellfire Imp. We got him to throw a fireball. Let's add in. We have just enough time to add in movement for him. So let's just do that. Copy this. We'll go back over to our here. Where's our imp? Hellfire Imp, movement, direction. There. Just enough here. Nobody's watching. What? Oh. move toward a vector 2. Wait a minute. Timer done. Yep. Yes, how do I... Okay. Oh, I gotta hit dismiss over here. Okay. So then what we will do is I will come back here and keep finishing it probably a little bit later tonight. We'll get this done. We will definitely get this done, but it's been a pain in the butt. I do want to get him moving. It's a vector 2, and I want him to move towards player position. Valid assignment of property or a key X with a value of vector 2 on the base of type vector 2. Can I just do this? There we go. We didn't get the core mechanic done. Okay. Taking the pause. We're coming back. We're going to finish this up tonight. But, yeah. Disappointing. Very disappointing I didn't get it done in time. I got the movement. Yep. We've got that tile map. Fireball. We built the fireball. We did this. We got the hurt box. We got the animation. We have not added this part in yet. We didn't get to the Abyss Guardian. We didn't get to the spawner. We didn't get to the game manager. Yeah. Disappointing. Disappointing. But, okay. We will go back over here. We'll